Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing part 6 out of 7 on the Callaway washing machine destruction. So yeah, we'll go again. Here's what we got so far. You can see I've had to take some like bits off it to eBay. So because we're saving money for Japan, I thought I might take some parts of the washing machine off and sell them on eBay, like the door, and yeah, everything was going fine then. Let's plug it back in and see what happens. Smooth. Good job. 3, 2, 1. Eat. There you go. Woo! I know, so going in old washing machine motors. Especially the Schlesinger. I'm trying to self-destruct it, I think. With it. Oh, do this. Yeah, second out of 2. Yeah. Watch this. Watch this. Too active. Go. Let's go. Oi. Alright, here you go. See how much video. 3 minutes would keep it longer. Alright then. Okay, we'll go motor. Whoa. Oh, what have I done? Fire. Gas. That's it. Alright, later. That's part 6 out of 7 done, I think. But see how many. It's a quite a short video and longer than the rest of the attempt so far. Well, if it doesn't break apart 7 out of 7, then that'll be it. Like, yeah. Yeah, that's it for the Callaway Destruction part 6 out of 7. So hopefully the washing, hopefully we probably get like a stronger, hopefully get like some screws off it first, so hopefully, and see you later, bye.